To set up the dope sheet in Blender, I'm going to have you go hover your mouse over the timeline on the line that's right above the timeline, not the one that's at the edge of the 3D window. So when your mouse turns into a double-sided arrow, you should be able to click and drag to make that timeline grow taller. And then you're going to find the 3-line triangle up in the corner of the timeline. Hover over it so that your mouse turns into a plus sign, and then click on that and drag down. And now you should have 2 timeline windows. Okay, and now that you have 2 timeline windows, we can click on this bottom one here on the little, looks like a clock, and we're going to change it to the dope sheet. And now if you have added keyframes to your objects, you should see diamonds, and that represents any keyframes that you've added. I like to also click and drag, not starting from the very top where it says Dope Sheet Summary, but from the first object. Click and drag on the downward facing very leftmost triangle. So you can see I have several objects here, and each object has information underneath it that we actually never use, and it just clutters up the view. So if I click and drag on the left, it just closes all of that information so that I have one line per object, and it makes it a lot easier to see what's going on. That's it for the dope sheet setup.